That's a little too far, buddy.
RaSha caught him with them zombie tips and made his body spin.
Yo, we about to do a reaction.
Hell yeah.
Welcome back. RaSha Reacts here. And today, kind of an interesting one. One of my favorite actors of all time, Leonardo DiCaprio. So recently, I got interested in watching all of his movies. And this one I have not watched. It's called What's Eating Gilbert Grape. Apparently he was a teenager when he did this movie. I'm gonna watch some scenes from it. I guess it's like a montage of the best moments.
I mean, he was good in Django Unchained, but we don't know about this. So that's why I'll be watching it. That beat, though. Aw, come on. Hold up, motherfuckers. We gotta add.
Came and went. Now the doctors are saying.
Oh.
Time now.
Whoa there.
Arnie could go at any time.
What are you doing with that, Leo?
That's a little too far. That's a little too far, buddy. That's a little too far. Oh, shit.
What the fuck? Oh, hell no! This is a movie? Kind of confused on how he's acting, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see as we go along with this. What the hell is this movie about?
He's going a little too far.
Some days you want him to live.
That's kind of fucked up. So, you know.
Some days you
Yeah, whatever. It's just a fucking bug. I'm not an animal activist or some shit, you know?
What the fuck?
Wait, is he fucking crying about killing that bug? Damn, this is deep. This is way deeper than I thought it was gonna be.
Whoa there. You killed him. What a big fucking deal. It's a bug.
Oh, no, no, no.
Whoa there. What's going on down there?
I thought he was with you.
Whoa! That motherfucker.
My guy. What are you doing, bruh? Fucking monkey ass boy.
Wait, is that Johnny Depp? Jesus Christ. What the fuck happened? Come on, Johnny boy.
This kid needs to be executed.
The way he's acting, is something mentally wrong? Is there something mentally wrong with him? I don't want to, you know, I want to judge. I want to be that kind of person, you know. I want to say, hey, you're mentally retarded. Not the kind of person. You know, RaSha Reacts, you know, we spread awareness. We're not all about that shit, you know.
He needs to be shot.
Aww.
Oh, that was some good effects though. Whoa. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. That's some good effects though. Give me some PTSD.
Alright, what an absolute legend right there. He's fucking eating the cake.
Nice job, Arnie.
Uh-oh. This is crazy. I wonder what the fuck this movie's about, though.
Alright, boy, you need to chill. He's gonna trip and die.
Ooh. Yeah, I think he's actually, there's something mentally wrong with him.
This is sad. Just shoot him with a gun. What the fuck? Whoa there, buddy. Whoa there, buddy. That's a little too loud, buddy.
Mama, wake up!
Oh, shit.
She's watching RaSha Reacts. Boy, go watch on RaSha.
Mama, wake
Oh, this is a good dramatic scene right here. Setting up for what he's later gonna do in his career. This is good shit.
That voice crack, bro. No wonder he didn't try singing. Fucking Arnie.
Oh, that's fucked. Nah. Gonna do young Leo like that? Really?
She did because of you. She fucking killed herself. She took opioids, she took pill because of you, Arnie. That's your fucking problem.
This is so weird to see. Little Leonardo DiCaprio. I don't know how I feel about this, making him autistic or whatever. Couldn't you get a real autistic guy, you know? Come on. Like what they did with Peanut Butter Falcon.
I want to be professional wrestler, and I am a bad guy.
Why do you want me to be the bad guy?
Because my family left me.
She killed herself because of you, buddy. Nigga, that's your fault. She killed herself because of you, buddy.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to get to us right here. Wow, okay. Very interesting. Very interesting. That's kind of my reaction to this. Right there.
Oh, wow, that's a clip. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Alright. Now, 2 ads. That's going to take away 2 points from the video, unfortunately. I was going to give this a 10 out of 10 because that's some good acting by my boy Leo DiCaprio. But 1, he's not black, and 2, you got 2 ads. So, I would give it 8 out of 10, but he's not black. That takes away 1, 2. We're giving this Arnie clip 7 out of 10.
Interesting to dive into this. Jesus, he's fucking autistic though? That's interesting revelation. I don't know how I really feel about that, Hollywood doing that. So I could tell that this is a good performance by Leo. Hopefully he didn't mock these people. You know, they're people too, Leonardo. I hope you understand that. You know, my brother, he has some mental issues. I don't want to get into that. That's some personal shit. Just because you made me get into my brother, I am actually gonna have to lower my rating. Fuck! My brother! I could tell that this is good acting, but it kind of pisses me off. It's a little offensive. Damn. I gotta watch this shit. Fucking Johnny Depp looking like a lesbian. So yeah, overall, I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
To swallow.
It's kind of fucked up though. Come on, they're people too. Hollywood. Spreading awareness, RaSha Reacts here. Peace.
Right there in the camera, people from around the world are watching us.
Yes.
What would you like them to know about you?
I'm a very creative person. I love my autism. I'm never gonna stop being me. I ain't gonna stop being creative no matter what.
I already love you, man.
Love you too.
And I heard you know every movie release date from the past few decades.
Yes.
Is this true?
Yes, it's true.
I find that hard to believe. I'm gonna have to test you.
Okay.
Titanic.
December 19, 1987.
Flubber.
November 26, 1997.
Star Wars Episode 1.
May 19, 1999.
Born Identity.
June 14, 2002.
Frozen.
November 27, 2013.
Star Wars Episode 4.
May 25.